What if I told you that luck isn't random? That the people you think are just lucky actually follow a hidden rule, and you've been missing it your whole life? It's a rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm sitting on my couch in my living room, a hot cup of tea resting on the side table. In my hands, an old, slightly worn copy of The Richest Man in Babylon. I'm at chapter 4, The Goddess of Good Luck. As I read the opening lines, I paused for a moment, thinking, wow, this isn't just about wealth, it's about timing, about acting fast. I've been missing this my whole life. I lean back into the couch, let out a slow, satisfied ah, and smile to myself. In that moment, I can almost hear Arkad's voice echoing in the Great Hall of Babylon. Arkad says, good luck is not chance. She smiles upon the man who seizes opportunity quickly, but turns away from the one who hesitates. We've all seen them, those people who always seem to be in the right place at the right time. They spot the best deals, make the smartest moves, and it feels like fortune itself is chasing them. Meanwhile, you work hard, maybe harder, but somehow those golden chances slip right past you. Well, what if I told you there's a way to make luck visit you more often? And today, you're going to meet the one person who can prove it. Arkad, the richest man in Babylon. Welcome back to Finn's Summary, where we turn the greatest finance books ever written into short animated stories you can use to grow wealth and wisdom. From Rich Dad, Poor Dad to The Psychology of Money, we break them down so you can apply the lessons right away. If you're new here, hit subscribe, because today we're diving into one of the most eye-opening chapters of The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. In the last chapter, we followed Arkad as he revealed the 7 cures for a lean purse. Practical, timeless rules to fatten your wallet, guard your gold, and make your money work for you. Bansir and Kabi left that meeting inspired. They now had a clear plan. Save first, control expenses, invest wisely, guard against loss, own your home, ensure future income, and increase your ability to earn. But in Babylon, wealth wasn't the only thing people wanted. They also wanted luck, the kind of fortune that opens doors you didn't even know existed. 2 weeks ago, I was sitting at my desk, pen in hand, scribbling notes from this very chapter. I remember thinking, if this is true, then luck isn't something I wait for. It's something I get ready for. That thought made me sit up straighter, my heart beat a little faster. So the king asked Arkad, how can we make our people more lucky? A crowd gathers in the great hall. Merchants, moneylenders, farmers, and artisans all lean in to hear Arkad's answer. Bansir and Kobe sit right up front, eager to learn. Arkad begins with a question. Who among you has ever had a great opportunity but failed to act and later regretted it? Almost every hand goes up. One man says, I was offered land for a fraction of its value, but I waited to think it over. Now it's worth 10 times more. Another sighs, I could have partnered with a skilled merchant on a trade route, but I feared losing my gold. Today, he's wealthy. I'm still here. The room grows quiet. Everyone knows the feeling. And sitting here, reading these words, I could almost feel that silence, heavy and humbling. Arkad's lesson, luck favors the prepared. Good luck often comes disguised as opportunity, Arkad says. She smiles upon the man who seizes it quickly, but the man who delays loses her forever. He tells them about a friend who once met the goddess of good luck. She said, I visit those who are prepared and willing. I ignore those who hesitate, for they are not ready to receive me. The 3 truths about luck. Luck comes to those who accept opportunity quickly. Opportunities rarely knock twice. Delay is the enemy. Preparation makes luck possible. Without gold saved and skills ready, you can't take advantage when fortune appears. Luck favors consistent, wise action, not reckless gambling. She loves the disciplined and avoids the desperate. After the gathering, Bansir shakes his head. So, luck isn't about sitting around and waiting for something magical to happen. It's about being ready and acting without fear. Kobe smiles. Exactly. The 7 cures help us prepare, and this teaches us to move fast when the chance comes. They realize that the richest men in Babylon aren't just wealthy. They are quick to recognize opportunity and unafraid to seize it. Imagine missing the one chance that could have changed your life forever because you were too scared, too slow, or too distracted to notice it. That's the pain Arkad wants to save people from. An example from Babylon. A merchant once heard of a caravan returning from a distant city with exotic goods. The chance to buy low and sell high was certain. He hesitated for 2 days, and by the time he decided, another had taken the deal and doubled his fortune. The goddess of good luck had visited, and he had been too slow to welcome her. Important insights from this chapter. Luck equals opportunity plus swift action. The prepared mind sees chances others miss. Fear and delay are the true thieves of fortune. Wealth attracts more opportunities. Start building now. Gambling is not the same as seeking good luck. One is skill, the other is risk without wisdom. Think about your own life for a moment. What opportunities have passed you by because you weren't ready? What could you do today to be prepared for the next one? For some, it's saving that first $1,000. For others, it's learning a skill, building a network, or starting that side hustle. Whatever it is, do it now, because the goddess of good luck will not wait. Comment below, what's the one opportunity you wish you had acted on sooner? Your story might inspire someone else to act today. And if you enjoyed this animated breakdown of The Richest Man in Babylon, like the video, share it with someone who needs a reminder to be ready for luck, and subscribe subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter. The 5 Laws of Gold, Arcad's ultimate guide to building wealth that lasts generations. Until next time, stay prepared, stay bold, and when opportunity knocks, open the door wide. Thanks for watching.